Welcome to Mastree's English Pro channel, where we help you learn not just the rules of English, but also teach you how to use these rules to build imaginative and fantastic words. I'm Sarah, your expert tutor and guide, and today I'm here to help you get started on your journey. Now, many of us are familiar with adjectives and how we use them to describe a scene or a thing. Well, adverbs modify other verbs. That is, they give us more information about the action. Adverbs tell us how often, where, or when an action was carried out. Now, in two of these cases, you would have noticed the ly addition. These are examples of adjectives turned into adverbs. By turning them into adverbs, these words now give us more information about the action or verbs. So, how do adverbs help us in our writing? Well, think of this statement. Ankita walked into a room. What if I said it as Ankita walked into a room quietly? It is a little more descriptive, isn't it? Just like adjectives, adverbs too add color to the story. Now we also have adverbs of degree, which as the word describes it, it is the degree to which something happens, such as these adverbs. Almost, very, to. They show the extent to which the action is done or was completed. Similarly, you have adverbs of manner, which tell us how something happens. Each of these describes how well an action was carried out. Well, now you know the different ways in which you can describe actions by using adverbs. Don't forget to start using them in your writing. If you have more questions, would you like to practice your conversation starters? You can always reach me on our Telegram channel, right? At English Pro by Mastree's Telegram channel, you reach out with any questions that you have and our expert tutors will have an answer for you right away. What's more, we can give you exclusive feedback and individual attention. So follow these steps to join me there. Install and sign up on the Telegram app. Tap join and welcome aboard. I'll see you guys next time.